Hello Bladers! Simply owning a car doesn't mean it's all good to go anytime and anywhere. Owning a car comes with a lot of responsibilities. May it be regular maintenance to prolong the life of your vehicle or repairs that may cost you a hefty amount of money. To keep yourself from spending and help you do repairs for a minimum cost, the following checks should be done at least once a month to make sure that your partner is in the best possible condition. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the 3 things to check every month for your car. Number 1, check your brake fluids. Similar to engine oil, brake fluid is yet another crucial thing to always check. It is necessary to keep a healthy engine performance. Checking the level of your brake fluid is very simple. Simply open the fluid reservoir and look inside. You may need a source of light through your mobile phone to help check if the level is between the minimum and maximum indicators. Avoid opening it at unnecessary times and definitely don't do it during hazardous weather, as brake fluids will absorb moisture over time and in turn, reduce the effectiveness of your brakes. Having a healthy engine, you only need to top up brake fluid occasionally. If the fluid levels drop constantly, you definitely need to get it checked by a professional, as it may have a leak, which is extremely dangerous considering your brakes and your safety. Number 2, make sure your tires are well inflated and have the correct PSI. Constantly check your tire pressure monthly or even weekly. Tire pressure, if maintained regularly, has many long-term benefits for you and your vehicle. Keeping your tires at the recommended PSI ensure a smoother driving experience and will wear out your tires evenly, which in turn will be a lot more fuel efficient plus good for the environment and your wallet. Most gasoline stations in the Philippines offer a free air pump service. Set the PSI on the machine and attach the hose to your tire valve, then wait for the machine to do its magic. It alarms out a sound once your designated PSI has been reached. The process should take a few minutes maximum per tire, but if unsure, the gasoline staff should be able to help. Don't be shy to ask for help. Having a tire pressure gauge with you all the time is really helpful. If you feel uneasy while driving whenever you hit a weird bump on the road, you can easily check out your tire pressure and see if there's anything wrong with your tires. Number 3, check your engine oil level. Oil is very crucial for your car's engine as it provides necessary lubrication for engine parts. Ensure to check this monthly to avoid cooking your engine. The best time to check your engine oil level check is after a few minutes of driving, when the oil has settled and the car is slightly warm. Make sure that your car is parked on even ground for an accurate reading of your oil level. This process is pretty simple and should take only a few minutes of your time. The only thing you'll need is an old rag to wipe away excess oil. Pop your hood and pull the dipstick out. Wipe the end of the blade free of any oil and stick it back in gently. When you pull the dipstick out again, you should be able to see the oil level. The preferred level sits between the 2 markers. Check both sides of the dipstick to avoid false readings. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.